Good Monday morning, second graders. This week in math, we are going to be reviewing everything that you've learned so far in second grade. Some of it's been review for you from first grade, and some of it's been new to you from first grade. So all in all, we're going to review everything from the first 7 weeks of school. And then next week, we're going to be doing a show what you know from the whole 8 weeks. So your teachers we are cheering for you, we're behind you and beside you. And today's lesson is going to start with solving single step word problems. That means we're going to add to, which is addition. We're going to take from, which is subtraction. And we're looking for a result unknown, which is the equal, like sum or difference. So in adding this here, this means we're going to solve word problems with a single, that is one, addition or subtraction equation using a single one operation. We will solve for the sum or the difference. Remember the steps from week 1 Miss Garcia taught us, and here are the steps. You need to use these 5 steps every time you do a word problem or reading a math story and looking to solve a problem. Number 1, read it with me. What is the problem? What are we being asked to solve? And remember that clue, the question mark. Number 2, step 2, what information is given or provided? Look for the numbers. That's the clue. Look for the numbers in the story. Number 3, you are determining your game plan or your strategy and what you're going to use to help solve the problem. Your clue is draw out what you know, like create a model, a 10 frame, an open number line, a number bond, add to, take away. You know those models. You just have to decide which one you're going to draw out. Step 4, show your work. Be able to explain your thinking, and much of that explanation, especially to a reader like your teacher, is going to be your drawing and your equations. And that leads to step 5, write the equation with the answer. Please circle the answer. Sometimes it's difficult for the teacher, who is your reader, to determine what your answer was. Some of you don't write the answer, so it's really important that you solve the problem. Steps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, super important. All right, let's clarify the add to for a result unknown. This means an addition, in addition, word problem, and we are solving for the sum. Something plus something equals the sum. So let's take this review story. Seth ate 9 grapes. Then his dad gave him 7 more grapes and he ate those too. How many grapes did Seth eat in all? Let's work this out in our blue composition notebook. And we'll go over it as a class. All right, and the opposite, the inverse of addition is subtraction. We're going to take from with a result unknown. We don't know the difference. This means a subtraction word problem, and we are solving for the difference. Something minus something equals the difference. So let's look at this word problem as review. Ronan had 11 marbles. He gave 4 marbles away. How many marbles does Ronan have left? We're working this out in our blue composition notebooks, and we'll come together as a class to discuss it. These are additional word problems for practice. Remember to follow the steps 1 through 5 and show all of your work. Your reader which equals your teacher, is looking for steps 1 through 5 with the model that you draw, your game plan, your strategy, looking for the equation to help you solve the problem, which is the answer. So let's go through these 4 in your blue composition notebook. The first one, there are 7 pencils in the cup and 5 pencils in the box. How many pencils are there in all? Remember, what is step 1? What is the problem? Question mark. Step 2, what is your what information is given? What is known? Look for the numbers. Step 3, what is your game plan? What are you going to decide to use as a strategy? Draw out that strategy. Step 4 is that drawing and showing your work. Step 5, write the equation with the answer. Then we've got 3 more. I'm going to let you or your teacher read those on your own, and we will come together to share our strategies, to share our answers, and make sure everybody's on the same page. Remember, good mathematicians, there's not just one way to do math. There are multiple ways. You get to choose, as long as you get to, and you get to choose. And the result should equal the correct answer. So we wish you luck. And this is your week to clarify and really learn all that we have learned so far. And we wish you great luck. We're here for you, and we will see you next time.